You could be eating healthy, sleeping well, and still feel exhausted because 3 silent energy killers are draining your power every day. Most people think low energy is about age or diet, but the real problem is biochemical. I've seen this again and again in my consultations. People doing everything right but still struggling. Once we fix these 3 hidden blocks, energy returns fast. Here's the 3 secrets, the 3 hidden energy killers. The secret number 1, cellular waste overload. When your body can't detox properly, metabolic waste clogs the cells and shuts down insulin and nutrient receptors. Without glutathione and antioxidants, energy production slows to a crawl. Secret number 2, stress and cortisol burnout. Chronic stress burns through B vitamins, magnesium and vitamin C, your energy cofactors. It leaves mitochondria inflamed and unresponsive. Secret number 3, nutrient deficiency in the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is your body's energy engine. It depends on nutrients like magnesium, vitamin B5, vitamin B2, and CoQ10. If one is missing, the whole system stalls. Do you want to identify your hidden energy blockers? Book your free 30-minute health consultation and get a custom plan to reboot your metabolism and restore your flow. The link is in the description or bio.